Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel as well as my first YouTube video. Can't believe I'm finally saying this, but today's video is going to be a highly requested one, which is my hair tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to go into depth with all the products I use, how I use them, the steps, basically the whole lot. So let's get into it. Okay, as you guys can see, I just finished washing my hair. Here is my hair with no product or water, just brush. So to begin, the first two things we're going to use is a water bottle and some leave-in conditioner. This one here is from Miss Jessie's. It's one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. Ever since I've come to America, it's the only one I've been using. So I like to put some of this in a bottle of water and just shake it about and then just spray this all over my hair. This way it kind of distributes the product more evenly, so when you do apply it in your hair, it's basically going evenly all over. So you're just going to spray that all over your hair until you hear that sort of scrunching wet noise. You don't want to hear it too much, but just a bit, just so you know there's enough in there. You're gonna always apply this, so just keep it at hand with you. The next thing you're gonna do is section your hair. So what I like to do is bring all my hair to both sides like this and then pull it back, and then from my ears just basically pull this top part into a bun like that and then clip it. That way you're starting off in layers. I always start from the bottom just because it dries quicker, so that way there's more product in my hair. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Ready? So you're just gonna spray some water into your hair again, just like so. I like to use a Denman brush to kind of detangle my hair. So after I shower, I still brush it, but I use just a basic brush. And then now that I'm trying to style my hair, I'm gonna go in with a Denman brush and then just pull away from my scalp and then have a finger on top, so it kind of adds curl, if that makes sense. So whilst you're doing that on each side, always start from the bottom, because when you don't, it pulls a lot more in your hair. So as you can see, this side needs a bit more water, so I'm just going to keep spraying this side with some water, and then obviously start from the bottom and then brush up. That way you're not damaging your hair as much and it brings in moisture, as you can see. Perfect. While I'm doing that, I'm also gonna go in with this Honeydew Camel Rose Refreshing Moisturizer. I do a couple of sprays on each side, and then again, I'm gonna brush this product in. Same process with the hand, pull away. Same side with the hand, pull away, and then you just scrunch like so. The next step is gonna be a curling cream. The one that I'm using is the Soft Curls by Miss Jessie. So I like to apply literally that much, because when you apply too much, it kind of pulls down your hair. So rub it evenly between your hands and you're just gonna distribute that. Just like rake it through your hair like that and then pull away and then scrunch. And you can see it form some curls. And if you kind of want a bit more definition, just rake your hand through a piece this big. It doesn't have to be any bigger, and then you're just gonna use your two fingers and then roll it upwards all the way to the top. I'm trying to show you this, guys, as much as I can, and then unravel it slowly, and then it should just drop all the way, and then you can scrunch again. But I usually do that towards the top of my head, so when we get there, I'm going to show you guys what I do. Okay, so now that you've seen that, obviously repeat the same process on this side. You can brush it, finger coil it, but I don't really mind for the bottom of my hair to be too defined, so I just brush it, scrunch it, and then leave it at that. We're gonna go in with some Miss Jessie's again. Obviously small amounts go a long way. Rake in and then scrunch, and then you're basically repeating this whole process until you get to the top of your head. So now I'm gonna section it this way, and we're gonna focus on this side and then tie this side up. I honestly can't believe I'm actually recording my first YouTube video. I was like so nervous because I usually don't speak on a camera, so like speaking with this now is still a bit nerve-wracking, but honestly I think I'm getting the hang of it, hopefully, and then I can create more content for you guys. Also let me know what you want to do, because I do have a skincare routine planned as well as a makeup one, but as of right now I'm just recording the hair because it's like the most recommended one. So as you guys can see, I'm just brushing away from my head just to get any knots out. Literally picking up any pieces, pulling it away. I'm gonna scrunch it again, moisturizing spray. Not in your eye, all over your hair. Leave that in. Grab your curl cream again, small amounts. Rub it in, rake through your hair, pull from the top so you can grab more volume. That's another thing I forgot to mention. When you pull from the top and let it drop, it basically gives you more volume. And then scrunch. I'm gonna do this to this side until we get to the top, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now we've reached the top section of my hair. What I'm gonna do is use my hands just to kind of create a middle parting. So just go down the middle. It doesn't have to be straight, by the way, like the less straight it is, the better. I'm gonna clip up this side, just like that. How we do the top, you're gonna section your hair down the middle and clip up one side. Go back in with the water and then spray from the roots downwards. And you don't wanna spray too much of this because it's very moisturizing. And you're going to use other products up here, you don't want it to weigh down your hair. Again, I'm just pulling and brushing away from my head like so. This way, more volume and more definition. You're going to scrunch it and then you're going to leave it. And then repeat the same to this side. So just a couple of sprays all over. So grab my brush upwards to create more definition. And then scrunch. Now your hair kind of looks like this. You're gonna brush down, and whatever comes out in the front is like my bangs and like the main part I want to focus on defining. So this whole part, I'm just gonna grab it. You're gonna go back in with the honeydew spray, and I'm just gonna spray just the line like so, and then up again, up another time, and then brush it backwards. And then let it drop, and then however it drops, just gonna separate it like that and then scrunch. And that's how I do the top part of my hair. Okay, so now that your hair looks something like this, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. You're just gonna grab any top parts of the hair, it can be random. You're gonna brush the denim and brush through, wait for it to drop, twist, and then turn it all the way, and then let it set. That wasn't supposed to happen, but I'm gonna show you again on this side. So you grab a random strand from the top, the bottom, wherever, brush it through, let it drop, twist, and then pull it all the way down. That way it creates more defined curls all over. And I don't do this all over because I don't want it to look like my hair's fully defined, because sometimes I do like a little bit of frizz. So again, you're gonna pull, brush, pull, twist, and then let go. And then it should create something like that, and you can go in and scrunch it like that. The next part, we're going to be adding some gel and mousse. So the mousse we're using today is B-Girl, and it's the Crazy Sexy Curl. This stuff stinks, but honestly works really well with defining my hair. So you're just going to shake it a lot until it all comes bubbly, because it's like a foam setting mist, whatever it is, setting mousse. You're going to spray, pump, 1, 2, 3. Kind of have it in your hand like that, and then scrunch it upwards. So scrunch, hold, let go. Scrunch, hold, let go. And then again in the front, we're going to do 2 pumps this time. Scrunch, let go. Scrunch, and then let go. This stuff literally stinks. Okay, next side. I don't know, I just don't like this honey sticky smell, but my hair doesn't smell this in the ending, guys. Don't worry. So again, scrunch, scrunch. All over. I'm going to use 2 hands for this side. Start from the bottom and go up. Don't put too much on the top of your hair because it's going to weigh down your hair, because you've already got leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and a spray refreshener all in your hair. So just kind of pull up any residue you have on your hands, and then yeah. And before we blow dry, last step, we're gonna go in with some gel, and you're gonna do like 2 pumps, distribute between your palms. And then I always like to start in the middle and then use 2 hands on each side and scrunch up. Honestly, this curl routine has a lot of scrunching, so if you guys want to try it, just make sure you do scrunch a lot, because it makes a difference. And then 1 pump for the middle. So let it set in your hands first, so just let it drop, then scrunch at the top. So drop, top, and then scrunch. So your hair should be looking something like this. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then come back and finish the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like 75% dry. And what I like to do before I finish drying it, I'm gonna go back in with the honeydew spray. Just gonna spray this a couple times just to loosen up that gel cast. So this was the gel that we used earlier. As you can see, you can kind of see the shiny and it looks a bit like, I don't know how to explain it, but you can see it. So now that you sprayed that into your hair, you're gonna go back in, but with cold air this time. My plug isn't long enough for me to record and blow dry my hair, so literally what I do, the setting that I press is literally this one. So like you're gonna leave it on the lowest heat, lowest setting, and then just hold that the whole time. And then that way you can gain more volume and then remove the gel cast. Okay, so this is my hair fully dried. As you can see, this helps. You can see how much bigger it's gone and more refreshed it looks now rather than like a gel cast. Last and final part of my hair routine, I kind of like to separate some strands at the top here and then just shake the top part a bit more. And then we're gonna go in with some oil. This is the bread oil. So I only do a couple, just like that. Just shake a little bit out of the bowl and you're gonna rub it in and go from underneath. That way if you do create frizz, it's not at the top of your hair. And then just scrunch it upwards. And you can see this is from the hairbrush technique Denman thing we did earlier. I like to then just separate it a little bit and have more sort of coiled finer curls at the top. And then obviously I want a bit more volume, so we're gonna go with this brush from the back of my head and then just pull up any hair. This way you're creating a lot more volume and your hair will be a lot more bigger. So just pull it, as you can see, like look at the difference. And then you can just continue putting your hands through it and just scrunching. But that is basically my hair routine done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what other videos you want to see next and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.